Hey guys, and welcome to Cigar Box. Today we have another unboxing video. Today we're going to be unboxing the Quintero Petit Quintero. These are 43 ring gauge by 4 inches, and these are very different from every other cigar we've unboxed on this channel before. Now, these boxes, all the Cuban boxes have a hencho and Cuban and totalmente malo, which means completely made by hand. However, this box has something else, has a TC. TC means tripa corta, which literally translates to small filler, which means that the leaves inside the cigar, the filler inside in the middle, is made out of different cuts of different cigars from different cigars that have all been collected and made into a blend and filler. Therefore, these are not long filler. Most cigars are long filler, which means the inside is longer. Now, how this translates to in terms of smoking: number one, the ash won't be as hard and it will keep on falling much more. That's number one. Number two is the flavor profile. A lot of people don't necessarily like this. They like consistent flavor profile, whereas this is not going to be always consistent. This box is from July 2024, so which is very new. And we're going to give it some time. Let's take these cigars out and have a look. Now again, because these are from one of the cheaper brands in the Habanos line, they come with cellophane. This is a box of 25. I will be making a video on how to on dissecting one of these and showing you exactly what I mean by short filler. So if you guys are not subscribed yet, please subscribe now and stay tuned. Let's open these up and have a look. Again, there's something about this view of looking down and seeing cigars like this. I really like that. Let's take one out. And there you have them. Now, something which I find very consistent with Quintero cigars in general is that all their bands are very cheap looking, which sometimes is actually quite nice. It looks a bit vintage and old. They're definitely not. These are actually quite fresh. But if you can see inside here, try to zoom in, that the filler is not consistent. Again, I will be making a dissection video exactly explaining this. But these are my first time trying short filler cigars, Cuban cigars. So I will be trying one of these and letting you know how it is and how it feels. I got these for extremely cheap. I got these for the equivalent of £2 per cigar. So I'm really not complaining. Here in the UK, they sell for around £14. I found them on Cigars. So really nothing to complain, and can't wait to try these. I'll give them to rest a couple of months and then we'll try them. If you guys like this video, please like, share and subscribe. We'll see you in the next one. Thank you so much for watching.